Hi, I'm Nivetha Shanmugam from DTM4 batch. I have done BSc Information Technology. After my college, I joined Entity Data as a Operation Process Associate. I worked there almost 4 years, and I decided to switch my domain where I can build a good career and upskilling myself too. Then I came to know about data science course, which is included Python, SQL, MongoDB, and Power BI, Tableau, machine learning, etc. And I decided to join data science, and the topics were so interestable. So I decided to join data science, and after a lot of research, I decided to join GUVI. And coming to the live sessions, my mentor was Shabinath Premlal, and he taught all topics with real life examples, and it is understandable, and he made a class very interactive, and we given a number of projects regarding to the topics. Um, and after completing each and every topic, I have learned a lot. Now I am in a placement phase, and I hope I will get a good career in data science. Thank you.